1. Open the Facebook app. It's a blue app icon with a white F. Log in, if you're not signed in automatically. You may not be able to tag some people or businesses due to their privacy settings. 2. Tag someone in a picture. To do so, tap an image in one of your photo albums, on your timeline, or on another's timeline. Tap the icon shaped like a shopping tag at the top of the screen. Tap anywhere on the photo. Usually, tags of people appearing in a photo are placed on top of their image, but you can tap anywhere you like. Start typing the name of a person. Tap the name of the person you want to tag when it appears in the dialog box. Doing so tags them in the picture. Tap X in the upper left when you're finished. Your friend will receive a notification that you tagged them in a picture. 3. Tag someone in a post. To do so, start a new post by tapping the status update prompt at the top of your newsfeed or timeline. It will read what's on your mind. Would you like to share an update, or something similar? Tap Tag People. It's next to a blue silhouette near the bottom of the screen. If you don't see this option, tap Add to your post below the message prompt to open the menu of options. Tap Who Are You With? At the top of the screen. Alternatively, tap someone who appears in the suggestions list on the screen. Start typing the name of a person. Tap the name of the person you want to tag when it appears on the screen. Type other people's names and tap them if you want to tag more than one person. Tap Done in the upper right when you're finished. On Android, the button may be labeled Next. Write a comment and tap Post in the upper right corner. Your post will appear on your timeline, and the other user will receive a notification that you tagged them in a post.